This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have admin access because turning off speech recognition can require system settings. Once you're signed in, press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. In Control Panel, choose Ease of Access. This groups speech and accessibility controls together. Make sure to keep the speech recognition window or link visible so you can act immediately. This gets you to the right place fast, so you can disable the service without hunting through settings later. You'll now disable the main speech recognition options. Click Speech Recognition from Ease of Access. This opens the control panel for speech. Once there, locate and uncheck Run Speech Recognition at startup so it won't auto-launch. If you see an Advanced Speech Options link, open it and set Profile to None or disable any active profile. This prevents background activation. Make sure to apply or OK any dialogues. Doing these steps stops automatic starts and clears the active recognition profile. You finish by ensuring the service isn't running and changes persist. Press Windows key, type Services, MSC, and open Services. Find Windows Speech Recognition or Speech Runtime and stop it if active, then set its startup type to Manual or Disabled. Restart your PC to apply changes and confirm speech recognition no longer starts. If it still appears, re-enable the feature temporarily, restart, then disable and restart again. That often clears stuck settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.